It's never too early to choose a profession, and the Citrus County School District offers a variety of programs to help students make smart career choices. Our programs are designed to educate, guide, and prepare students to enter the workforce as qualified candidates with superior confidence.
Video is the medium of choice in the digital age, so becoming a proficient visual storyteller will provide a variety of career choices. Students are introduced to video and audio authoring for both live and pre-recorded environments, as well as industry-specific software applications like Photoshop and Final Cut Pro. You'll get hands-on experience capturing and editing video images and audio, and upper-level students will rotate through video production jobs to plan, film, and edit the Citrus High School WCHS morning show each day.
To learn more about our programs and how they can put you on a path for success, contact the Career and Technical Education Department of the Citrus County School District.